my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine with your home, right? In the previous class, we have discussed the third poem is The Swing. Today, I will teach fourth chapter. The name of the chapter is Good Manners, right? Before we start the unit, let us know some about this unit. Okay dears, shall we start? Yes. Dear students, I know you are all good children. Yes? Good children or bad children? Yes, good children. But you know why? Yes, because of your good habit and good manners, right? I am sure we all already know about it. But shall we revise it once again? Shall we revise now? All are ready? Yes. Look at that picture, dear. Pray to God. You should always pray to God for good health and prosperity. It is the good manners, right? See that picture. That is early go to bed, wake up early in the morning. Dear students, you should go to bed in early and wake up early in the morning. See, when you get up in the morning, you should say always a good morning. It is the one of the good manners, right? See, look at that pictures. Brush your teeth. Children, you should brush your teeth at least twice every day. As soon as you get up in the morning and before going to bed at night. You should brush your teeth every day at least twice. Got it? It is one of the good manners, right? Look at that picture. Take a bath every day. Children, you should take a bath every day to keep your body clean. It is the good manners. Look at that picture. Say hello. When you need someone, you should always say hello, how are you? Like this, it is the one of the good manners, right? Please. Say please when you want something others. You should always say please. Okay? It is the good manners. Look at that picture, dear. Say sorry. If you have done something wrong and if you have hurt someone, you should always say I am sorry. It is also one of the most good habit or good manners, right? Understood, dears? Yes. Thank you. When you does your favor, you should always say thank you. Say welcome. When you someone else say thank you to you, you should always say you are welcome or most welcome, right? Smile. Look at that picture, dear. That picture shows, what is the symbol of that picture shows? That is a smile, right? Smile is very important in our daily life, isn't it? Greet with a smile. You should always greet with your teacher teacher and others with a smile. Next picture, share. Look at that picture, dears. Share with your friends and family. You should always share with your friends. Look at that picture, dear. That picture shows share. Share with the friends and family. You should always share your thing with your family members, friends and others. Got it, dears? It is also one of the most good manners. Look at that pictures, dear. Be kind to animals. You should always be kind to animals. You should never hurt animals. Okay, dears? Look at that pictures, dear. Respect elders. You should always respect your elders. You should always respect your elders. Okay, dears? These are all good habits and good manners, right? You also grow that good manners in your daily life. Okay, dears? Now, I will start with picture reading. All of you open your text, page number. All of you open your text, page number 25. I will start with picture reading. Look at this picture, dear. Look at this picture. Yes. This picture shows shouting, standing, sitting, pushing, peeping, pouring, crowding, combing, calling, playing, peeling, plucking. These are all pictures related to your chapter. I will start reading part. Now I will read and explain this unit. Listen carefully. Shall I start? Yes. Fourth lesson, good manners. Look, this is a school. There are many students in the compound. Look at that pictures, dears. There are many students in the school compound, right? You also observe that picture. Yes, they are running. Some students are running. Some students are jumping and shouting. Some of the students running. Some of the students doing jumping. Some of the students shouting. They were shouting. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಕಿರ್ಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಕಿರ್ಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಓಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Isn't it? You also observed that picture? Yes. It is recess time for children. It is the leisure time. Even in your school also leisure time have in your school? Yes, that school also have leisure time. That's why all children are in ground. Okay, dears? Yes, that is the leisure time of our children. Leisure time means biduvina samaya. They are crowding of school's shop. They were crowding. Crowding means look like market. Like this, they were crowding on the school playground. Okay? They are pushing and cursing at each other. They are ಕೆಲವರು pushing. Pushing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ತಳ್ಳೋದು. What's the meaning of in Kannada? ತಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು cursing each other. ಬೈಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಮಿಸೋದು. Okay? ಶಪಿಸುವುದು. Cursing means ಶಪಿಸುವುದು. One boy is peeling a banana. One boy is peeling banana. Peeling ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಿಪ್ಪೆಯನ್ನು ಸುಲಿತಾ ಇರೋದು. Is eating it and throwing its skin on the path. ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆಯನ್ನು ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಪ್ಪೆಯನ್ನು path ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What's the meaning of in Kannada? Path. Yes, ದಾರಿಗೆ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ತಿಂದು ದಾರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಿಸಾಕೋದು ಸರಿನಾ? That is a good manner. No, it is the bad manners, right? Yes. Another boy is drinking water from his water bottle. He is pouring the same on the floor. ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ? ಪಾತ್ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿ another one boy also drinking water and also and pouring the water same on the floor. ಆ ಒಂದು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರನ್ನು ಚಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Look at that pictures dear. Observe carefully. Yes. A girl is plucking the flowers. Look at that pictures dears. One of the girl here stand the ground but pluck the flowers. Pluck ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಕೀಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Don't pluck flowers in our school ground, right? Yes. Many children are standing across the teachers. Many students are standing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ across the teachers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಲಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ರೂಮ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ರೂಮು, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು. ರೈಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಎಸ್, all of them are speaking, shouting at the top of their voice. All of them shouting, isn't it? Shouting and speaking. ಕೆಲವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಕಿರ್ಚುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕರ್ಚುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The principal is watching all this. Who is the watching here? His principals. Yes. ಸೊ ವಾಚ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. He is calling all the students. So next he will call them. Call the all students. He says, what he says? Right. Why are you behaving like this? ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ತರ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? Some students shouting, some students plucking the flowers, some students standing, some students and also peeling a skin of banana to throw the paths, right? So these are all have good manners, not bad manners, right? Yes. Don't you know that you are coming here to learn good manners? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು ನೀವೇನಕ್ಕೆ? ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯು ನೋ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ವೈ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಸೊ ask to their principal, to children's. Have you got it dears? Yes. So who is the calling here students? Yes, their principal. When that they were shouting, when that time they were shouting in the playground. Yes, they were the leisure time of that they were shouting, speaking, jumping, running like this. Yes, so these are all good manners? No, these are all bad manners, right? Why you want to come to school? Because of learn a good manners, right? Now I will stop this lesson. In the remaining part I will continue in the next class. Hope you all understood students. Thank you.